Installation guidance for concealed sliding door. Parts: upper track, lower track, buffer damper, hanging wheel, pulley, guide wheel. Step 1. Install the tracks. Measure the upper track and locate drilling holes. Then place the screw washers on track and fix the buffer damper to the upper track. Measure the lower track and locate the pulley position. Fix the guide wheels on the upper track with screws. Fix the upper track to the door panel. Fix the lower pulley. Cut the lower rail to the appropriate length and fix it under the door panel. Test whether the hanging wheel and buffer damper work properly. Step 2. Fix the door panel. Measure and locate the position of door panel on the wall. Then drill holes. Fix the upper wheel to the wall. Align the door panel with the hanging wheel and fix the upper track to the hanging wheel to fix the door panel to the wall. Test whether the door panel glides properly. Step 3. Install the handle. Apply glue to the back of the handle and fix it in the corresponding groove. Wait for the glue to dry completely and test if it works properly. Installation completed.